Good morning, my dear students. The chapter 10, straight line, the first exercise 10.1 is clear. In the exercise concept based, okay, in the previous video, they discussed about the slope, okay, a line having the 2 points, how to find the slope, and that concept based on the problems. Is clear? Discussed about the previous video. Now in this video, we will discuss about angle between the two lines. Is clear? The two lines are here. How to find the angle between the two lines. So the angle of theta with the line having the slope m1, m2, m2 is given by the tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. This is a concept. Okay, how to angle between the two lines formula. That's clear. How to prove? Same way here you will consider the line. Here you choose a line. Okay, L1. Next I will choose a line L2. The two lines are intersect. Okay, the two lines are intersect means the line having a line having positive direction of the x-axis, that value is equal to theta 1. Okay, I will choose a theta 1. So the line having positive direction of the x-axis, that value is equal to theta 1 means over here that slope is equal to, what's the meaning? The slope is equal to m1. It's clear? I will choose a slope m1. Similar case, the line L2 here having the positive direction of the theta, that's value is equal to theta 2. Same here slope. It's clear? The second line slope I take m2. It's clear? I need the angle between these two lines. Okay, the two lines are intersect. What's the angle? That's all my questions. Is clear? Understood? Over here the first line. Is clear? Here the first line, the angle between the two lines. Okay, first line the slope. Here what's the meaning? m1 is equal to what's the meaning? Tan theta 1. Is clear? The first line slope m1 is equal to tan theta 1. Next in the second line slope having theta 2, therefore the slope is equal to m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Is clear? You know the slope formula. Is clear? Now, just so you see that in a triangle, so you know that formula. Okay, already you are studying in 9th standard. Is clear? In a triangle A, B, C. Is clear? In a triangle ABC. Okay. So this angle should be exterior angle. Okay. This angle to equal to interior angle. So you know that the definitions. Sum of the two interior angles equal to opposite to one exterior angles are equal. That's the meaning for angle of A plus angle of B is equal to here exterior angle. Okay. What's the exterior angle? Angle of C. That's the exterior angle. That is ACP. For example, line L and ACL. It's clear? ACL. That line. It's clear? Exterior angle. Sum of the two interior angle equal to opposite to the exterior angles are equal. This is a previous topic. Here 9th standard you are studying. Okay. Same result I could prove that. Here what's the exterior sum of the interior angle? What is the angle? Theta plus theta 2. What's the exterior angle? Theta 1. What's the meaning? Here exterior angle. That is the meaning. I will choose a line A. Okay. B, C. Is clear? A, B, C. That's the intersect point. Here what's the meaning? B, C. Theta 1. Is clear? Exterior angle equal to sum of the two interior angle. What's the given? So what's the given? Is clear? Theta 1 is equal to exterior angle. Theta 1 is equal to sum of the two interior angle. Theta plus theta 2. Is clear? Just a theta 2 you have to subtract. What's the meaning? Theta is equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. Is clear? Theta 1 minus theta 2. Now you see that here taking tan theta, there is a slope means you are taking tan theta. So I take it tan theta. Okay, taking tan angle theta 1 minus theta 2. So just you will find out tan A minus B. So you know that formula tan A minus B is equal to, here you know that formula tan A minus B is equal to tan A. Is clear? Minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Is you know that formula 1 plus tan A tan B. Is clear? The basic formula. So I get Euclid's about what's the meaning? Tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2. Is clear? That is A minus B. Here 1 plus tan theta 1 into again tan theta 2. Is clear? So just you see that here tan theta 1, that value is equal to m1. About here m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Is clear? 1 plus m1 m2 m2. What are conclusions? Tan theta is equal to, what's the meaning? m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Is clear? That's in the equation 1. Is clear? Now this angle is equal to here theta. What's the value of this particular angle? It's clear, this particular angle. So this angle is equal to theta means what's the remaining? Okay, the remaining angle is equal to what's the meaning? 180 minus theta. It's clear, 180 minus theta. So now we'll change the tan of remaining. I find out this particular angle. So here what's the meaning? Tan of 180 minus theta. It's clear, tan of 180 minus theta, you know that formula, minus tan theta. It's clear, minus tan theta. So from 1 tan theta is equal to what's the value? Minus of, here what's the meaning? M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. So you will consider 2. From 1 and 2, what are your conclusions? From 1 and 2, I will get the tan theta is equal to plus or minus 1 M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. Is clear? Or same way, or the above concept, tan theta is equal to, okay, sometime using tan theta is equal to, what's the formula? Tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. This are both are same way. Is clear? Now in the result based on the important 2 points. Is clear? First one points, okay, note, first one point, if the 2 lines are parallel, okay, if the 2 lines are parallel, if the 2 lines are parallel, okay, if the 2 lines are parallel, okay, what's the condition? If the 2 lines are parallel means then the corresponding slopes are equal, that is M1 is equal to M2. It's clear, M1 is equal to M2. If the 2 lines are parallel means how to prove that the corresponding slopes are equal, that is M1 is equal to M2. The first line slope is equal to having M1, second line slope having M2. What are conclusions? Just to see that, okay, here just to see that here first line slope M1, second line slope M2. The 2 lines are parallel means what's the theta? The theta is equal to 0 degree. You know that that's 2 lines are parallel means theta is equal to 0 degree. So using tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2, that concept up here tan 0 degree is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Is clear? About what's the meaning? M1 minus M2 divided by, is clear, 1 plus M1 M2. So just you will cross multiple, here 0 is equal to M1 minus M2. About what your conclusion? M1 is equal to M2. Is clear? Therefore, about what your conclusion? The 2 lines are parallel means the corresponding slopes are equal. That is M1 is equal to M2. This is the first point. Next, the second one point, if the 2 lines are perpendicular. It's clear? The 2 lines are perpendicular. Just you see that here x and y axis, here one line, another one line. It's clear? The 2 lines are perpendicular. What's the theta? Theta is equal to 90 degree. It's clear? Up here the 2 lines are perpendicular means, okay, if the 2 lines are perpendicular, okay, the 2 lines are, okay, the 2 lines are perpendicular means the product of the 2 slope M1 is equal to M2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, if the 2 lines are perpendicular means then the product of the 2 slopes equal to minus 1. How? The 2 lines are perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degree. Up here just to think about tan 90 degree is equal to what's the formula? M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2. Is clear? Tan 90 degree is equal to undefined. Up here what's the meaning? Undefined infinity, that is equal to M1 minus M2. Is clear? 1 plus M1 M2. Is clear? Here left hand side is equal to infinity. So left hand side is equal to infinity means what's the conclusion? The right hand side denominator value is equal to 0 means the left hand side is equal to infinity. Is clear? That is how to find the infinity concept. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Another concept. Any number divided by 0 is equal to infinity. So here left hand sides are infinity means right hand side the denominator value come to 0 means, so any number divided by zeros automatically will get the infinity. About what are conclusions? About that is left hand side infinity is possible only if 1 plus M1 M2 is equal to 0 only. But here what a conclusion? M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. But what a conclusion? The product of the 2 slopes is clear. The product of the 2 slope is equal to M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Okay children, you understand? So in this video they discussed about, okay, what is the meaning? Angle between the 2 lines. So tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2 Next, when the two lines are parallel means the corresponding angles are equal. Next, if the two lines are perpendicular means the product of the two slopes equal to -1. This is a concept. Is clear? So, in the above concept, based on the problem, you can watch the next video.